What's up guys? This is your boy Amoy Piranyan. For today's episode, I'm going to recommend you a medyo malakas yung datingan. So if mahilig ka sa freshy and pasok dito, which is pasok talaga sa Filipinas weather, okay, or Pilipinas weather, this might be for you. If hindi mo kaya afford bumili ng 20,000 plus pesos or 15,000 plus pesos na niche fragrance na medyo upscale, talagang malakas yung datingan, don't worry. This fragrance solves your problem, okay? If you have the budget under 3K, okay? Talagang panalo ka na dito. Hindi ka na magko-complain, packaging pa lang, bote pa lang, juice pa lang, panalo ka na. Talagang panalo ka na. This is from the brand of Fragrance World and this is none other than Divine Asylum. So I think marami na nakakaalam sa Divine Asylum kasi matagal na tong sikat. And also, I'm sorry, medyo late ako sa game, okay? But now, I'm going to review in front of you itong Divine Asylum. And what's my honest opinion about this fragrance? Ito yung klaseng fragrance na talagang dati kasi hindi ko masyado ma-appreciate ang Elysium Cologne, okay? Talagang sabi ko parang, I wish medyo mura, mga nasa, hopefully it was mga under 10K. Siguro kaya ko noon that time. But parang nabibigatan pa rin ako kasi sobrang mahal And it's a kind of a freshy fragrance na hindi ko pa siya masyado ma-appreciate those times. Iba yung mga niche na tina-target ko dati. Then after years pass by, doon ko na na-appreciate yung Elysium. Sabi ko parang, may parang something magic sa Elysium na pag sinuot ng lalaki or babae man, it will give you that parang compliment getter type of a fragrance siya. Which ako, I don't believe kasi compliment getter mga fragrances. Depende talaga sa taste ng tao yan. Pero imagine mo, sa Elysium, pag nagsuot ka ng Elysium Cologne, okay, automatically compliment. Wherever you go, compliment. So imagine mo, I was wishing na magkaroon ng parang clone na talagang ma-afford ng mga ibang tao na they really love Elysium. So sabi ko, this one solves the problem, which is Divine Asylum. So sabi ko, I was thankful to have this, itong Divine Asylum, and grabe talaga tong composition na ginawa ng Fragrance World dito. It's something na you won't even believe na talagang 1:1 ang kuhang-kuha niya sa Elysium Cologne, okay? So initial pa lang, pag initial spray mo pa lang, you will feel it na talagang magiging oily siya sa skin mo, okay? So don't get me wrong na parang oil-based yan. No, hindi siya oil-based. Ganun yung composition na ginawa nila dito. It's parang pwede rin siya, parang nagiging din siya parang molecular. Sometimes you won't smell it. Sometimes you smell it through the entire day. Okay? So initial blast pa lang ng spray, maaamoy mo na talaga yung blast of citruses. The blast of citruses dito, you can smell the lime, you can smell the bergamot, effervescent, sobrang sparkly na mga citruses dito. And the dominant note here, the star of the show, dito sa composition ng Divine Asylum is the grapefruit note. Okay? So hindi mawawala talaga yung grapefruit note from top to mid. Then after that, when we go to the middle notes, going to the dry down, dito na lumalabas yung pagka-green notes, may lalabas din na may pagka-creaminess. I think that's coming from the vanilla note, and yung green notes coming from a thyme, and mga other green notes na hindi ko ma-detect kung ano note to, okay? Then after that, it dries down into aquatic musky type of a scent, okay? So, if you love yung aquaticness niya, may pagka parang maaamoy ka parang swimming pool accord na medyo malakas yung datingan and medyo it gives that parang very refreshing, parang fresh out of the shower. Ganon yung datingan ng Divine Asylum. So this is a kind of a scent na sir, saan ko masusuot to? It's a very versatile type of fragrance na wherever you go, you can rock this one. It doesn't matter you go on a date, you go on a business meeting, you go on an office setting, you go on a everyday errands, kayang-kayang dalhin ng Divine Asylum. And ito yung klaseng scent din na habang mainit sa labas, okay, so sisingaw at sisingaw to. Doon magsha-shine itong scent na to. Sa malamig, nagsha-shine naman siya, but I prefer wearing this one on a hot, humid weather. Doon talaga magsha-shine itong Divine Asylum. Okay? For the projection, longevity, and the sillage, the projection niya, above average lang sa akin, hindi masyado ganun malakas. And for the longevity, it lasted on me 6+ hours, but if you applied on your shirt, it will last more than 8+ hours. But sometimes sa mga ibang tao, tumatagal daw 10+ hours. Nagugulat na lang ako. Talaga ba? Okay? Or maybe you get nose blind. Kasi ako sometimes I get nose blind dito sa composition ng Divine Asylum. And for the sillage, you will leave a good scent trail behind. Okay? So yun lang masasabi ko. And by the way, another fact, sa tingin ko, ito, magkakaroon to ng discontinuation. So since magkakaroon to ng discontinuation, kutob ko lang yun guys, okay? Hindi ko kayo pinapa-panic na bumili na kayo agad. Depende pa rin sa inyo yan, okay? So if nag-aalala kayo na magkaroon to ng discontinuation or let's say na parang tataas yung presyo nito, bumili na kayo habang nasa under 3,000 plus pesos pa lang siya, okay? Mga nasa 2,700, 2,800 lang siya. So go get your nose on this one. Highly recommended. And don't forget to check this one out. Habang mura pa, bilhin nyo na.